Bless you. Bless you. Eight. Six. 10. You singing? Good job, my son. Good job, Prophet Theophile. Dimple boy. Smart boy. You alright? See this dimple? See these big dimples? The guy don't have to smile, man. He just holds his lip. You can see his two big dimples. Let me see if I can take a good picture of that.
We are Busy Beavers on YouTube.
Busy Beavers on YouTube.
Busy Beavers on YouTube.
Busy Beavers on YouTube.
Yeah.
Busy Beavers on YouTube.
Busy Beavers on YouTube.
Busy Beavers on YouTube. I want him to laugh so I can take a picture of the dimple. Busy Beavers on YouTube. Busy Beavers on YouTube. Busy Beavers on YouTube.
Play-Doh Alphabet Surprise.
Okay. We are Busy Beavers on YouTube. Alphabet Surprise.
You were playing Busy People with your dad there. You don't give it to him to fix it.
He doesn't trust his father that he has been to school.
Your father has a doctorate.
He doesn't know. He doesn't know about all that. Yeah. I'm telling you, man. He can be where I am. If his computer needs some help, he will leave the room and take it to his mama. I guess he don't trust me. He look at my face and maybe he doesn't see education in it. I'm okay with that though. Careful. We are Busy Beavers on YouTube. We are Busy Beavers on YouTube. On YouTube. On YouTube. On YouTube. On YouTube. We are Busy Beavers. Careful. Okay? Multitasking, man. The child is multitasking. Singing, arranging the pens and markers
Alphabet surprise.
and all that, and then managing the tablet.
R. Play-Doh.
Love you. God bless you. Theophile Michael Koumondji. Simple boy. Handsome boy.
We are.
Prophet boy.
We are.
We are Busy Beavers on YouTube.
Beavers